Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri, and we are gonna make Christmas tree dip. One of my favorite things. I wait all year for the Christmas trees. I've never made this dip, but Greg found it. Oh, I've got my hunk of burning love with me.
Hello.
And we are gonna make you guys a festive holiday delight.
That sounds good.
Okay, I've got my shirt on. Do you like my shirt?
I do. It matches your earrings.
Melody got this for me. My friend Melody, she got this for me, and I don't remember who got me these earrings, but
I did.
Here we are. Oh, you did?
I'll take credit.
Okay.
Gold. This was back when they were 83 cents a box. This is when they were not. Now
Really?
they're $3 a box. I don't know, but I remember they were like 99 cents.
Yeah. Okay.
And I swear when I was a kid, there was like 18 of them in here, and now there's
Yeah. Five.
5.
Okay, let me show you what my hunk of burning love made me. He brought me this. He made me this Christmas tree.
What's
So I'm going to use it as a Christmas decoration at the restaurant.
I started to put like a bite taken out of
I know, I love it. I love it just the way it is. Isn't that so cute?
it. And it's waterproof. You can leave it out or put it outside.
Okay, so what you're going to start off with is 2 boxes of Christmas trees. So what we're going to do now is just open these
Gotta
up.
chop these bad boys up,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, you've got to chop them up. So we're going to open up 2
We
boxes.
chop them up in here,
Yeah,
or just let the mixer do the
I think
chopping.
we'll let the mixer do the work. We'll open these up.
So, okay, somebody said the other day on Facebook that they make them year round. They're the same as the zebra cakes.
Yeah, somebody else said that. I mean, yeah, somebody did say that, but I don't care.
But I will
don't
say
care.
this though.
It's in my head.
Okay,
they do all
make
taste the
Reese's
Reese's.
Reese's peanut butter cups.
Yeah.
And it's just me, but the best one is the Christmas tree or the
And
Easter
the
egg.
Easter egg, yeah.
I don't know why that is.
I know.
I think
and
because
I know that when I eat these, like, I've seen the zebra cakes and all and the Easter cakes and all, but there's just something about the Christmas trees.
I like
I
the
don't know.
strawberry rolls.
But I just love it. Yeah, you do
What's
like
your
that.
favorite? Comment below.
Yes.
What's
What is your favorite Little Debbie?
Little Debbie.
And I do like the brownies, the little brownies
Cosmic?
with the ice. Yeah, with
There's
the icing
a
on
there's
it.
a
So
recipe for those too.
good. Of course, it looks like we like Little
What?
Debbie's, doesn't it?
I like Big Deborah.
I'm gonna add this.
There's gonna be green speckles on the ceiling.
Add 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1 block of cream cheese, 8 ounces. Now we're going to do a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now you have to be real careful with this when I put this in, because if you don't just like zzz, 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 it'll fly everywhere. Okay, so.
Bring it on.
Don't let it fly.
Try to keep it from flying.
1 teaspoon of vanilla, and if you didn't know, your cap is a teaspoon. Here we go.
And if you overfill the cap, it's still a teaspoon.
That's right. All right, we've got this all mixed in. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It looks about like cookie dough, about the consistency of cookie dough. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold in 1 container of whipped topping.
Let me get rid of this before I get over my shirt.
If you wanna make your own whipped topping, it's super easy. You can use heavy cream and powdered sugar and just beat it. And it will and add a little bit of vanilla to that too, and then you'll have your own homemade
Now,
heavy cream.
what's that mean, fold?
It means like you're not,
Not stirring, but like,
yeah, like you're just like folding,
oh,
fold.
like you do with, see, we do that with body filler to keep air bubbles from getting in it. You smash it in, is that what's
With what?
like that? Body filler, like Bondo.
Oh,
It's like you don't stir it, you smack, because it keeps air bubbles from getting into your body filler. Okay.
all right, good to
Well,
know.
that's your auto body lesson for today.
You hold the bowl and I'll, okay. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. Oh, let's see.
Now the original recipe said to take another one and put it on there like a garnish.
That's good.
But since somebody ate the other package,
I had help. It said
also,
you could take a Christmas tree and set it on here. And we also have green and red sprinkles. So let's do that. It's gonna be great.
There.
How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, that looks
so the recipe I found said use these.
Yes. So,
but I thought these would be better.
We'll try. That's too much.
Get out of here. You're too much.
These are so good.
That was too much. It was like $8.
We went on a trip, me and the girls, and I had just bought a package of Nutter Butters, and they were like $7 for these Nutter Butters. And when we got there, they wouldn't let me take my Nutter Butters because I had already opened the package. And I said,
on the plane?
Yeah. And I said, can I just have a handful? Can I just have a little handful of them? And she wouldn't let me. Anyway, I want to say Kim, and Kim. They were all three named Kim. And they were from Arkansas. It was so nice to meet you guys. She was so excited to be here. And Bob and Laura Porter from Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Thank you guys for coming in. And Judy and Phil from Ada, Oklahoma. They came in and ate, and they said, "Do you ever make beans and cornbread?" And I said, "Yeah, I do it. Like if somebody asks me, I usually do. They'll message me." So I gave them my phone number, and they messaged me on Monday, and they said, "Hey, we're gonna come back. Will you have beans and cornbread?" And I had beans and cornbread on Tuesday. When they came in, gave them beans, cornbread, fried okra, gave them some chow chow to go on their beans. They said, the best meal ever. So it was so good.
They came in and they said, "We're here for the beans and cornbread," and I was like, I hope she got some.
Yeah, and I did because they had already messaged me. And Terry Chandler from Texas, because we have that Chandler sign, Chandler Medicine on it. They said, "You have a sign that has our last name on it." They were so sweet. And then Betty Godfrey from Broken Arrow. So, yeah, I got to talk to her for a little bit. She was the cutest. Oh my gosh, so cute. Had the most beautiful hair, and I just loved talking to her. My friend Melody Hart, who got me this shirt, she has Melody Hart and the All-Star Band, their family, which is Wayne, Garrett, and Dylan Massengill. Wonderful family, some of our very first friends here in Branson, and they have been so wonderful to us. Actually, the Massengill brothers, Garrett and Dylan, sing here on Tuesday nights. Every Tuesday night at 5 o'clock. But they also have their own family show, and you need to go see them. They are at the Nashville Roadhouse Theater, and they are on Wednesday mornings and Friday mornings at 10 a.m. Wonderful family show. Talented. Tomorrow morning.
Those boys get better every time I see them.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Just seeing them grow.
Like, we have watched them just thrive, and they are just going places. So
Wayne stopped in, and he played the fiddle, and I was talking to somebody, and I said, "Man, he makes it look like effortless, like easy."
Just he's great.
Yeah,
whatever that means. Wayne is great. Melody is great. Their kids are great. Great family show. You guys need to go see them. Make plans to see them. 10 a.m. Wednesday mornings and Friday mornings at the Texas Roadhouse. That's a restaurant at the Nashville Roadhouse right here in Branson, Missouri. So look them up.
Just run a mixer and start stuff.
Go make this.
That is good.
So good. It really is good. I mean, it was kind of iffy because I love the Christmas trees.
This is better than the Christmas trees.
What about you make them a Christmas tree?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. You could do it. Stranger things have happened.
If you win the raffle.
This is better than the Christmas tree snacks because I don't know, I get an aftertaste. It's kind of got a
waxy,
greasy.
I love it.
But what is better than those? I think there's one lone survivor left.
Look what the Lord, look what the Lord has done. He's made them in chocolate.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm thinking that if they win the raffle, they also get a Christmas tree. One of your Christmas. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
But I got like 4?
Yeah, 4 of them.
All right, I'll just fire up the old Christmas tree top.
Okay, anyway, come and see us at Local Flavor because we would love to have you for lunch or supper. We are super easy to find right on 76 Country Boulevard here in Branson. Come and see me and my hunk of burning love.
I may be here.
Yes.
You have to edit that. I just killed a gnat.